right, Agent. We're going to take a look at our decoder watch and figure out how to put that together. What you'll need to do is you'll need to cut this out as it's indicated here. This piece is just a little difficult to cut, but you'll be able to get it. So we'll cut out all our pieces, and they will end up looking like this. So you have the outer watch and the band, you have the inner, and you have the little brad to be able to put this together. So we need to poke a hole using our hole punch. Try to line that up the best you can. All right, and then we take this one and we'll poke a hole in this one. Now what we want to do is we want to fold these just like so. Fold that there, fold that one, fold that right on the edge, and then fold this one just like so. Alright, now we take them and we fold them in like that. Oops. So you should have something looking like this. You're now going to take the inner dial and you're going to put it in the hole here like so. And then you're going to take this one and you'll stick it through that hole. So it comes through the back. I'll hold on to the back side like this and I'll turn it so that my BBT logo is lined up that way. Now what we want to do is we want to put a little bit of glue on here. A little bit of glue there and a little bit of glue there. Might be a little too much, but... And then we're going to fold those down. And I don't know, count to a few seconds there. And there it is, it's folded. And now your dial can turn like so. Now, let's take a look. We're going to set that aside and let that dry. Let's go ahead and take a look at our decoder, our code writing key here. So this is how you end up reading it, and you can also write your code. The @ sign means turn the small dial, red, R red, B blue. The little caret there means align with. Don't turn, it's a little slash. Plus sign means add, minus sign means subtract. The number sign means numbers. This means to the right, and this one means to the left, and this one means with what. So let's go ahead and read our first code here. It's the mathematical code, which means we're going to be dealing with adding and subtracting. You can see the code right here. And the way you would read it is, the @ sign means turn the inner dial until the blue star aligns with the red square on the outer dial. The plus sign indicates you need to add the numbers on the left side of the shape. Okay, so right here, here's the shapes. You're going to be adding the numbers to the left side. So let's go ahead and do that on our watch. Let's take a look here. So our code says blue star and red square. So the blue star is right there, and the red square is right there. I just so happen to have them lined up. So you would turn this until those line up, and you would end up with the 8 and the 1. And it tells us to add those numbers. Okay? So that's how you do the mathematical equations. Now we're going to take a look at the geometric. So the geometric, let's go ahead and look at this code. So this is the code that we're trying to read. And the way it's read is like this. The @ sign means turn the inner dial until the blue diamond aligns with the number 5 on the outer dial. Do not turn the dial. The red star on the inner dial is now aligned with what number? So as you can see here, it was the blue diamond aligning with the 5. So the red star aligns with the number 8. So the answer is 8. So let's take a look at this again. So the blue diamond, so we're going to turn the inner dial until that blue diamond comes down to the number 5. Okay, so it's lining up with the number 5 right there. And then it says the red star is aligned with what number? So this red star is aligned with the number 8. Remember, we're working with the inner dials. So the answer would be 8. So go ahead and give this give these examples a try. Try them out, and get familiar with how to use your watch. Now the watch is going to come. I already cut the slit in these for you. You don't have to worry about cutting the slits in. And what you can do is you can take this and slide that in so that you can wear your watch. So go ahead and take your watch and go on your first mission. Good luck, Agent.